Here is the lobby for the Prospanica event that is supported by Brazen. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like so you can see how it works for the future. I really like this format. I think it's great. Here you can show if you're available or not. They ask you to upload a picture of yourself, a resume, and your LinkedIn profile. Here you can manage your chats like that. So I don't have any open chats right now. Here is just information about the live fair. This is the lobby, so I don't need to click on that. A history of people that I've talked to, registration, and then I can update my profile here if I wanted to update or upload multiple copies of my resume. I just wanted to show you what it would look like if I were to visit Abbott. So just by hovering over Abbott, it gives me a quick summary of who Abbott is and what they do. I can go into their booth. This is their homepage, and then they provide a little information. You can see here who the recruiters are. If I go up, I can select career opportunities. And they have chosen to list the career opportunities they have available, but also a website where they have additional careers. I can get in line to chat with them here. It shows me right now I'm not waiting to chat with them, but I like in the lobby, it shows you approximately how long the wait is to speak to someone by chat for them. Well, it did. Oh, here we go. So you can see there's 150 people waiting to chat. There were 4 representatives, and here it's not giving me an estimated wait time, but it is for some of the other ones. You can see here it's over 30 minutes for United Health Group. So that will let you manage your time a little bit and know about how long it's going to take for you to meet with somebody. Same here with Comerica, to show you what that looks like. Information about them, the booth representatives, careers, and about. Let's go back to the lobby. This is all information about Prospanica, who also has a booth there, and some really good videos on how to do a virtual career fair here. So if you have time or you're waiting to chat with a representative from one of these employers, that might be a good time to watch a video to best prepare. So you can see here are all the employers that are at this event. And they're all legit employers, except for Prospanica. They have an informational booth. And then this organization here, Language Testing International, they're not hiring, but they do offer information about how to get certified for business purposes in another language. And that's how it looks. I think it's a great layout. All right.